Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Zoran, and for those of you who do know me, time up for being a loyal subscriber. Today I'm going to show you how to make $300 to $400 with just 30 minutes of work. Now, this method is worldwide, and you will actually do some surveys and some research. Now, if you are a beginner, you can choose to do simple online research, and you will finish those research in 5 or 10 minutes, and you will make 10, 15, maybe $20 for every task. Or you can actually choose to do some advanced offline surveys and research, and you can make up to $1,000 for those tasks. But before we begin, if you're into making money online and internet marketing, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get notifications when I upload new videos. Okay, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to start. The website that I'm talking about today is called Respondent. If you do a research on internet, you can find lots of positive reviews about this website. This is their homepage, and here you can see some of the people that work with this company. Now, their homepage is actually intended for the companies that need research to be done. You need to go on for respondents, and you will come to this page, and as you can see, get paid for participating in research studies. By now, they paid almost $11 million for their respondents. On average, interview takes 30 minutes, and average hourly payment is $140, but that actually depends. You can make from $5 to $1,000. You need to actually connect your LinkedIn or Facebook profile so they can confirm your demographic and that you are a real person and not a bot. And then they will actually match you with best possible research. After you successfully finish research, they will pay you via PayPal. But don't worry if you don't have PayPal, they pay with Bitcoin and via Pioneer. Click on sign up, and here you can see you can actually sign up with Facebook or with LinkedIn or even with your email. But I would actually recommend to sign up with Facebook or LinkedIn because you need to connect Facebook or LinkedIn anyway. After you sign up, you will see this. This will be your dashboard. Here you can see available research and brief description. If you click on one of these, you will get more details, what exactly they are looking for, how much time you need to finish this research, and how much money they will pay you. Here you can filter results by the price, by the time, and do you wish to do it remote or in person. I personally get best results by filter with the price from $5 to $450. And from 5 minutes to 1 hour. And by remote, because I wish to do all the research on the internet, online. And here you can see some of the available research with this filter. As you can see, you can make $100, $20, $25, some even pay $300. You can actually make even more money with this website by referring other people. You can promote your referral link in related Facebook groups, related forums, blog comments, Quora, and so on and so on. And they will pay you up to $50 for every person you refer. So that is how you make $300 to $400 with just 30 minutes of work. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.